Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, my dear brothers and sisters. Welcome to the new video, new topic. Today I want to share a powerful supplication that our beloved Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam used to recite when leaving home for Tahajjud and Fajr prayer. This is a dua for light nur in every part of our lives. Imagine starting your day by asking Allah to bless your heart, your words, your sight, and even your steps with His divine light. What a beautiful way to begin the day. So, this dua is short but holds deep meanings. First, let's listen to the Arabic. Allahumma ij'al fi qalbi nura wa fi lisani nura wa fi sam'i nura wa fi basari nura wa min khalqi nura wa min amami nura wa min fawqi nura wa min tahti nura. Allahumma a'tini nura. Now let's understand what's this meaning in English. O Allah, place light in my heart, and light on my tongue, and light in my ears, and light in my sight, and light behind me, and light before me, and light above me, and light below me. O Allah, grant me light. Subhanallah. Nurul light in this dua is not just physical light, it is the light of faith, guidance, wisdom, and clarity. The Prophet Muhammad ﷺ asked Allah for light in his heart first. Why? Because the heart is the center of faith. If our heart is filled with light, our actions, our words, and our entire life will be guided by goodness. But if the heart is dark, then it becomes difficult to do good deeds. The next part of the dua, ask Allah for light on the tongue. Ask for light on the tongue. This means we should speak words that are truthful, kind, and beneficial. Our words should spread peace, not harm. Then we ask for light in our ears and eyes. This is a reminder to be careful about what we listen to and what we see. In today's world, we are surrounded by distractions, music, gossips, and social media. But if we ask Allah for nur in our hearing and sight, we will be guided to listen to good things around us and see the things that increase our faith. The dua continues with a request for light behind, in front, above, and below. This means we are asking Allah for guidance and protection from all directions at all times. We are asking Allah to keep us on the right path no matter where we go. Finally, we ask Allah to grant us light. This is a humble request to be blessed with nur in every part of our life, our actions, our decisions, and our future. Now, why did the Prophet ﷺ recite this dua, especially when leaving for Tahajjud and Fajr? Because these two prayers bring the most nur into our lives. Tahajjud is the most powerful prayer after the 5 daily prayers. It is a time when the world is asleep and only the sincere worshippers wake up to speak to their Lord. The Prophet Muhammad ﷺ said, the most beloved prayer to Allah after the obligatory prayers is Tahajjud. Fajr prayer is also special. The Prophet ﷺ said, whoever prays Fajr is under the protection of Allah. Muslim. When we wake up early, perform wudu, and leave our homes for Fajr prayer, we are walking towards the nur of Allah. This is why the Prophet ﷺ said, would recite this dua so that his entire journey to the mosque would be filled with Allah's light and guidance. This dua is not just for Fajr or Tahajjud. We should make it a habit to recite every morning while leaving our home. It is a beautiful way to start the day, asking Allah to guide us, protect us, and bless with us Noor. How can we apply this in our daily life? First, memorize this dua and recite it every day, morning and evening. Second, reflect on its meaning. Understand that we are asking for guidance in everything we do. Third, make sure our actions make this dua. If we ask for Noor in our speech, we should avoid lying and gossip. If we ask for Noor in our hearing and sight, we should avoid harmful things and focus on beneficial knowledge. Life is full of challenges and darkness, but when we sincerely ask Allah for Noor, He fills our path with ease and clarity. This dua is a reminder that no matter how lost we feel, no matter how difficult life becomes, Allah's light can guide us back. My dear brothers and sisters, let's make this dua a part of our daily routine. May Allah bless us all with His Noor and guide us on the straight path. If you found this video beneficial, please like, share, and subscribe so more people can learn this beautiful supplication. May Allah fill our hearts, our words, and our lives with His divine light. Ameen. Jazakallah khair.